Hi friends, good evening. Today it is 18/7/2022 and the time is 7:10 and 18th July, miracle day. It's literally done the miracle and Nifty closed above 8th July high. So that was a very good sign and it closed above the weekly bullish number also. And the Bank Nifty exactly went to the bullish number in the morning, 35,001, and from there it reacted. But once it moved about 35,001, it was a super duper target on the dot, which we predicted yesterday, which is 35,344, and that is where it closed today. So a beautiful day, and again tomorrow, day after, and 21st is a very very important day. So again, in the next 3 days, you can use the first 15 minutes high and low, which will definitely work. And as I predicted last month also, that 17th it will make a top. 17th was holiday, so 18th. So watch out for tomorrow. 19th is very very crucial. First 15 minutes high and low will do the magic. So now let's go to the WhatsApp thing. Let's discuss about our 907 number. So this is a 907 number which I will give before the market open at 9:11. I've given this, and the sell is not initiated, buy initiated, and it went and touched these three targets. So roughly we made roughly around 100 points on 907 number. Okay, and rest all is nothing today. I was a little bit busy on something else, and this was the weekly game changer number. And Nifty future and Bank Nifty future gave a freak high, so that is why I have not given this number. So once above this number, it was good, and it closed above this number, and Bank Nifty was a rocking above 35,001. Even though HDFC is not participated, but other private banks participated, and then it took the Bank Nifty to a good level. Okay, so now let's see all that in graph. So now let's go to okay, so this is our 907 number. Buy above 16,176, sell below 16,144, and the sell is not initiated, buy initiated here, came down, gave the entry here, and it went and touched all the targets. And my target for today was in my PPT is 16,270, and it went and touched that 15,270. But the beauty is the Bank Nifty. Okay, so now let's go to the Bank Nifty. So above, this is my PPT number, above 34912, above 34912, the target is 35344. Okay, and that is where it closed. Exactly on the dot, on the dot. Okay, so now let's go to the PPT and see this PPT here. This was the number. Above 34,912 on 15 minutes closing basis, targets are this, and this was the last target, 35,354, and that is where market did. And again, from here it was a gap up. Anyway, we used our 907 number, and our target, the last target was 16,270, and it exactly went and touched that, and it closed a little bit higher of 13 points. But Bank Nifty was on the dot, 35,354. So yeah, PPT worked very well, and let's go and see the charts. Okay, so now let's go to Nifty. So this Bank Nifty again moving in a channel. So we need to see tomorrow whether it is going to take out this channel number, which is roughly around 36,075 level. So we need to watch this for tomorrow, and this is on daily. And this one is Nifty. It's a breakout zone, came down all the way, touched this breakout zone, pull back, and we need to see tomorrow whether it is breaking 16,456. But don't worry about all these numbers. I've given the precise numbers in my PPT, so that is more than enough for you to watch. But this is, I'm just showing the chart here. And if you go to Bank Nifty today, it was very phenomenal, because if you go here, see this kind of cloud, it is very very difficult to take, but it has taken it today, because it's a big cloud and it has taken it today. So tomorrow you need to buy only above this number, only above this number, because this is the pitchfork topmost line, topmost line. So you need to be little cautious on Bank Nifty, because if you go here, this was the pitchfork topmost line. Okay, pitchfork topmost line. It came all the way, and this is where the breakout happened. It came all the way, took the support from the breakout zone, again went up and crossed all the three. So now it is at the resistance. So it is always better to buy only above 34,425 on 15 minutes closing basis. And this is the yearly number. Watch out. And these two are very, very crucial. 35,721 and 35,937. 35,937. So watch out for this number. I've already given those numbers. But Bank Nifty has taken out this kind of Ichimoku cloud. It's actually very, very good, very, very good. And let's see whether it is going to break the topmost line of pitchfork tomorrow. And if you go to Bank Nifty, 1 hour, and it is close to well above the cloud. Today morning it opened above the cloud itself, and it was rocking, and it was rocking. So I've given all the numbers to trade for tomorrow. So watch out. And if you go to daily, Bank Nifty daily, now it closed inside the cloud, and it is exactly at the pitchfork green line. So very, very crucial tomorrow to watch Bank Nifty. And tomorrow HDFC Bank has to support Bank Nifty. Otherwise, it's a problem. And Bank Nifty, HDFC Bank closed below our numbers today. Okay, so now let's go to Nifty. Let's go to Nifty daily. See exactly where it closed. On the pitchfork median line. So now it has to break. If it breaks, then this pitchfork line will act as a resistance tomorrow. The resistance is somewhere around 16,372. So now tomorrow it has to pull back. So wait for the first 15 minutes. No need to jump. Today we bought a few lots, and then we closed a few. We are holding only half of the quantity in Nifty. And Bank Nifty, now we closed and we initiated the sell in puts. Okay, so that's what. And BL was rocking today after the train change date, and that is what I mentioned yesterday. And Coromandel also was rocking. So tomorrow, watch out for this. This is the pitchfork median line. This is where it reacted, but more or less it closed above 28th. That is where actually, the 8th high, it is where, it closed here. So it is again at the resistance. So watch out for tomorrow. 15 minutes high and low is very, very crucial for tomorrow. Okay. So nothing more to add. And okay, let's go and see how we traded today's market in fortune signals in 1 minute time frame. 1 minute time frame. Okay. So now let's go to fortune signals. So this is Nifty. Okay, see this magic. So I've removed all the numbers. Okay, so this was the first candle gap up, and it was a buy. It's already in green because yesterday itself it was in buy. So that's why it won't give you any thing. So you can buy above this candle. Buy got initiated here, came down all the way, and went up, went up, went up, and see, beautiful. So from here, from 16,220, it came down to 16,191. But again, it gave a fake sell. It gave a fake sell. This is where you need to buy. The stop loss is hardly 5 points or 10 points. For this, it will give 100 points. Exact fake sell. Okay, again, it went up, came down all the way, touched the blue, went up, again came down, again fake sell. See how beautifully it is, it is catching that low. Again, fake sell. From there, it was a bazooka. After Reliance also participated, and it closed here. See how beautiful it is in 1 minute. And if you go to Bank Nifty, all the way from morning to end, it is full green. Okay, went up, came down all the way, touched the blue, broken this red color, but little bit it came down here. Again went up, touched the blue, went up, and this was the magical candle. This was the magical candle. When it breaks this red color, if this candle low is not taken out, and this is what I explained in my weekly forecast video when I covered Nifty in long term, short term, medium term, and all that. If it breaks this red color line, if this candle low is not broken, it will give a phenomenal move. It will give a phenomenal move. Here the stop loss is hardly 50 points or 30 points or 40 points. Whatever points you want to take it, you take it. Okay, but see how beautifully it is catching the bottom. And it breaks this candle low is not broken. And this candle high and low is totally 5 points. This candle high and low is totally 5 points. The stop loss is hardly 10 points only. Okay, and for that, even if it comes and touches here, the bounce will be normal. But once it breaks, this candle low is intact, then the move will be ferocious. The move will be ferocious. And this is what I explained in my video yesterday. And from there, all the way it is going up, going up, going up, and it closed here from 35,350. So from here, if you take the low here, the low was 34,925. From 34,925, see the move. And full day it is in green. Even if you miss the opportunity here, everything, no problem. You can try here. Stop loss is hardly 10 points. If it hits, no problem. But for 10 points, it has given more than 350 points. That's the beauty of fortune signals. Okay, chalo, let's go and check for tomorrow. Okay, so I've already marked today's high and low. So watch it. And till this 4 days, I will be marking the high and low. So then I will, in the end, I will close the highest high and the lowest low. Okay. So Bank Nifty also I mentioned, and these are the 3 numbers I've given. I don't want to give Bank Nifty future number. It was hey why. Okay. So leave it. So above this number, it is bullish. It closed above that. Nifty future, watch this number for tomorrow, 16,330, 16,330. If it is unable to break this, all these number and close above, possibility it will come and touch these numbers within this expiry or within this week. Let's watch. But as of now, everything looks good. As of now, everything looks good. Okay. So now pivot, it's closed above the pivot, nothing to worry. So the bull grip is still continuing, and 18th July high and low market and 15 minutes high and low today is a rocker. It was a little rocker. On trend change rate, 15 minutes high and low will do the needful. Okay, it magical work and mark today's high and low in Bank Nifty and Nifty for 250 points in Nifty and 750 points in Bank Nifty. Okay, BEL and Coromandel gave a very good move today. And now watch out these 2 candles, which is going to happen on 21st and 20th. For 21st of July, 11:15 to 12:15 candle in Bank Nifty. And on 20th of July, 10:15 to 12:15, 2-hour candle in Bank Nifty. Just mark the high and low. See the magic. See the magic. You'll be literally amazed to see this. Okay. And again, tomorrow, our big guy is going to participate or not, or this guy is going to collapse with HDFC Bank or not. Everything is with Motabai. Let's see how Motabai is going to do tomorrow. And Reliance, Britannia, and PEL. PEL exactly closed. I will show PEL. I will show PEL. We will discuss PEL. And this is for tomorrow's number. Tomorrow's number. So you can take it. I'm keeping it. So you can take it. Okay. So now, on Bank Nifty front, these are the upper targets, but all these 3 targets are the resistance numbers. Are the resistance numbers. Okay, so watch out, little bit careful on Bank Nifty. But as of now, there is no sell. Everything, all time frame looking brilliant. Okay, so we will initiate the short only based on 5-minute sell in fortune signal. Still the time there is no sell for us in Nifty or Bank Nifty. So now all the numbers closed in green. And here also all the numbers closed in green. So blue or green, whatever it is. So I have already marked all the dates here. And tomorrow, PEL and Britannia and Reliance is based on the cyclic date. So normally I don't have cyclic dates in my trend change dates. So cyclic dates, I always keep it separately. So 19th is the mega day for Reliance. So let's watch what Reliance is going to do. And let's go and watch only PEL, which is having a trend change date tomorrow. Okay, so PEL. Okay, so now, so in 15 minutes, it has given a buy and it's a genuine buy. Okay. And if you go here, if you click this is the decider number for the month, which is 1702. And this is the one number magic, 1667. So within this number, nothing will happen. If it trades within this number for the whole day tomorrow, nothing will happen. Okay. It has to decisively break this high on the upper side, or it has to decisively break this number on the lower side. But again, tomorrow, first 15 minutes high and low will do the magic. As of now, on 15 minutes, it is looking good. On 1 hour, it is still in resistance, but this is actually a fake sell more or less, because this is only 1 point. So we can take this as a fake sell only. So even in 1 hour, it is bullish. In 5 minutes, it is bullish. In 15 minutes, it is bullish. So as of now, in all time frame, it is bullish. So nothing to worry about it. Let's go and talk HDFC. So today morning, we went short in HDFC and Balakrishna. Balakrishna gave roughly around 50 points in the fraction of 20 minutes. Okay, so now see this. So today morning, I've clearly mentioned to my subscribers, don't buy till it doesn't cross above 1351 on a closing basis. This is the two numbers for the entire month. And it is not, after it came down, went up, it is not able to cross this number, 1349, only 2 rupees, but it is struggling. It is literally struggling. So these two numbers, tomorrow above this number, it is bullish, and today the high was here. Okay, so the high I've already marked here. So this is a freak high today. 1366 is the high today, and 1342 is the low today. So today it had a 90th day. So high and low of HDFC Bank is also very, very important. But for me, 1366 or 1342 doesn't matter. For me, this two number is more than enough for me to capture the trend on the upside or the downside. Until now, in 15 minutes, it is bearish only. It is bearish only. On 1 hour, bearish only. On 5 minutes, bearish only. Okay. So from the 5-minute sell came here at 1396. Till now, there is no buy. Till now, there is no buy. So watch out. Any close below 131329, God only can save HDFC Bank. Okay. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Again, saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor. So kindly do your homework or consult your financial advisors before taking any financial decision. Kindly go back and watch the video which I posted yesterday on weekly forecast, where I covered Nifty on long term. I've already explained what is that long term and where my fortune signals gave a buy in Nifty, and see how it is coolly keeping you to stay intact in the market. And that is what this long term is all about. Chalo, it's up to you to watch or not. Anyway, I've done my duty. Thanks a lot. See you soon tomorrow at 9:07. Good night. Bye.